Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sort the cars in your favorites in the AutoScout24 app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the AutoScout24 app. Go to your favorites in the menu bar in the middle. And here you can see your favorites. On the top you can see favorites. You have 10. You can refresh with this button, and with the next button with these arrows, if you tap on it you can sort it by price, by registration, by mileage. If you would like to, let's say, price or first registration or mileage. If you tap on, then it will sort. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.